Hello, my magical rainbow friends. Today's video, it is a three-parter. The first part, if you're not noticing, I'm not wearing any Disney ears because I bought some Halloween ears, and if you can tell by the box, it can tell you the theme of the ears. The second part, I was tagged by my Disney sister Vanessa to do the, I believe it's called the Disney Disney Fast Tag. I'll have it in the title, but it is where you answer these questions, but there is a thing about this. It's a fast tag. You have to try to answer all the questions with reading the questions in less than 2 minutes. Then, the third part is a little clip of some farm animals. If you're a part of my Instagram, you saw it yesterday. So, let's get into this video. Hello, my magical rainbow friends, and welcome to Jamie's Disney Kingdom. And happy autumn! Take it away, intro. Okay, like I said, the first part is my Disney ears. I bought these from my favorite Etsy shop seller. Her name is Jacqueline. Her Etsy shop is Pretty and Minnie Mouse Ears Shop. And the theme is I put a spell on you. Dun dun dun. Hocus pocus! These ears are beautiful! This cute little paper she puts them in. So cute. It says, thank you. Wait a minute. It says, I hope you love your new ears. Jackie! Jackie, I definitely will, girl. You know I love your ears. So I want to get them out of the plastic before I show. And yes, Hocus Pocus is one of my favorite Halloween movies. Hi, Miss Ears. Hi, Miss Ears. Alright. Are you ready? Oh, I don't think you're ready. Oh, you're ready now? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Look at these babies. Yes. Oh my gosh. We have Sarah, we have Winifred, and we have Mary. And then here's the back. We have the black flame candle, the spell book. We have Winifred. We have Sarah. And then we have Mary. We have a pumpkin. These are so cute. We have some stars. Let's put them on. Oh, yes. Yes, girl. I am, if I get the money, I am doing a Halloween movie swap next month, and if I get the money and able to do it, I'm going to be buying Vanessa over at Disney Nessie, who I'm doing the swap with, a set of these. So hopefully I'll have the money to get her a set, because I would love to have her a set. So we'll be 20. But yes, these are beautiful. Yes, I love them. Oh, they're nice and poofy. They're real light on the head. I love the orange bow. Yes, so cute. I think I have a Halloween jack-o'-lantern pin, and I may add it to the bow. I may put the pin on the bow. If I can't put it like right in the center, I'll put it on one of the sides. But yeah, I think that would be really cute. Yes. Alright, so let's get into part 2, which is the speed tag. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. This tag that I got tagged by my lovely Disney sister Vanessa over at Disney Nessie. I will have her video in the description below, so go check it out. And I will also have the questions in the description for the people I'm going to be tagging. Alright, but the tag is called the Disney Favorite Speed Tag. Yes, you will be seeing me look over here because my computer is up and that's where the questions are. And the rules are no edit after the timer starts. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, you must read the questions before answering them. And there are 15 questions. And rule number 3, you must answer all you can in 2 minutes or less. I have my timer set for 2 minutes. And here we go. So I'm going to set that like that. 1, favorite villain, Ursula. 2, favorite park, I'm going to say Hollywood Studios. 3, favorite Disney snack, Rice Krispie treat. 4, favorite Disney princess, Pocahontas. 5, favorite sidekick, Olaf. 6, favorite Disney song, You Poor Unfortunate Souls. 7, favorite Marvel character, Thor. 8, favorite Renaissance movie. I don't know what they mean exactly here, but I'm going to say Hercules. 9, favorite place to get Disney merch. Where I get Disney merch is Disney monthly boxes, and I get my pins from Instagram, and Shop Disney, Amazon. 10, favorite Disney animal, dog. 11, favorite Disney thing to collect, ears and pins and Funko Pops. 12, favorite set of Star Wars movie. I'm not a big Star Wars fan. 13, favorite Disney clothing item, ears. 14, favorite Fab 5 character, Daisy Duck. 15, favorite underrated Disney movie. I'm gonna go with WALL-E. And look, I had 17 minutes left. I did it! I did it! I did it! Alright, so I'm going to be tagging Kathleen from Kathleen Merkovich Robertson. I'm going to be tagging... Who else am I going to be tagging? I don't know if they will watch this video. I don't even know if they were tagged. I can't remember. Hold on, let me see who she tagged. Okay, she didn't tag them. Okay, I'm going to tag It's Always Sunny. think that's their YouTube channel name. Brandon and Heidi. And I'm going to be tagging Susan from Twinkling Beauty. So that is the people I'm going to be tagging. And thank you, sis from Disney Nessie, for tagging me. It was a lot of fun. And now for the third part of this movie. But before we get to that part, I saw Jessie from Miss Cherry's channel. I've been a big part of her channel for a while. I love her channel. Well, anyway, when she opens her monthly boxes and stuff, she has a pocket knife, and his name is Scar. I have a pocket knife. Last year, I called him Captain Hook. Well, I am not a big fan of Captain Hook anymore. And I want to rename him. It is a boy. And I want to keep it a villain name. But I want you guys to name my pocket knife. And the one I get the more names for, that is going to be his name. So comment down below what you think we should name my pocket knife. Alright, now to part 3. I hope you guys enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Jamie. Sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, where you will not miss any of my upcoming videos and join my YouTube family. And like always, love one another, don't judge one another, and always believe in Disney. Bye, my magical rainbow friends. Have a magical day, and I will see you very soon. Bye! Hey everybody, I'm here at my nephew's new home, and he lives out here on a little bit of like a farm, and he's got some alpacas. I wanted to show you guys. Aren't they? No, they're not mine. They're not really his, they're the landlord's, but aren't they cute? Yeah, they're really cute. And is this the only one? So is there more?
Probably a little bit more, but I'm trying to scare these ones off. They're just laying there relaxing. There's a little one.
Oh, there. What is that?
That's a little one.
There's another one.
Right there's the barn.
Where's the barn? Right there?
Right there.
There's the barn. Ah! Here they are.
Yeah. All this land all the way to the highway.
Yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. This is really cool. Alright, bye guys.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Thank you for watching Jamie's Disney Kingdom. And again, happy autumn! Take it away, outro.